Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap USDT TRC20 on Trust Wallet, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and make sure it's updated. Step 2. On the home screen, tap on USDT TRC20 Tether on the Tron network. Step 3. To swap tokens, Trust Wallet requires a dApp browser or a connection to a DEX. If the dApp browser isn't enabled, you'll need to access it via Wallet Connect or a browser-based DEX like justswap.io. Step 4. Head to a Tron-based DEX like JustSwap, either through the dApp browser or from your PC using Wallet Connect. Step 5. Connect your wallet, select USDT TRC20 as the token you want to swap, and choose the token you want in return, e.g. TRX. Step 6. Enter the amount, review the transaction, and approve the swap. Step 7. Wait for the network confirmation. It usually takes a few seconds. Tip: ensure you have enough TRX in your wallet to cover transaction, network fees. And that's it. You've successfully swapped USDT TRC20 on Trust Wallet. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.